Good morning. Well, it is a cloudier outlook for today. We still have the influence of this area of high pressure, but there's also a weather front which is sitting to the north, and it's been pushing quite a bit of cloud southwards through the night time and into the early hours of this morning. There might just be the odd sort of glimmer of brightness at times, but sort of staying mainly cloudy and quite misty and murky into the afternoon. Daytime temperatures today a little bit milder actually, 9 Celsius the maximum, and the same sort of picture really through the evening and overnight. A lot of cloud remaining. Again, quite sort of misty and murky conditions. I think over higher ground there is the possibility of a little bit of drizzle from the thickness of the cloud, but it certainly means the temperatures aren't falling too low tonight. 6 Celsius will be the overnight low, and then over the next few days, area of high pressure still around. It still keeps things quite grey, quite cloudy, but low pressure is returning again for the weekend.